Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ying. I am pleased to be here to talk to you about HIV and prevention.
About people with HIV. Second, I will talk about status of HIV, and I talk about symptoms. After that, we will deal with cause. Finally, we will consider prevention.
Before I start my topic, I have some vocabulary to tell you. I think it's important in order to understand my presentation today. HIV, the full name is Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Stigmatization is mean the act of treating someone or something unfairly. Discrimination is mean different treatment because skin color, sex, or sexuality. CD4, the full name is Cluster of Differentiation 4. It means one of white blood cell to protect your body. MSN is mean men who have sex with men. I would like to ask you who hasn't heard HIV before? Who hasn't heard HIV before?
I heard it before.
What?
I don't know if I ever heard like
I
this.
heard HIV. Famous basketball star Johnson. What's up? The famous. First, I will talk about people with HIV.
Richard Johnson.
The data in 2019 show 38 million people were living with HIV, and 1.7 million people is newly infected with HIV, and syphilis and 90,000 people died from it.
This graph show about number of AIDS-related deaths Western Pacific in 2000 to 2018. You see the color is mean people living with HIV. You can look color, different color. Is this graph show about people living with HIV is increasing every year. But new HIV infections and AIDS-related death still stable. Next slide. This graph show about new diagnosis of MSN with HIV. The different color is mean different countries. You can look the meaning here. This graph show MSN with HIV in Australia, Asia, North America, UK, Ireland, New Zealand. 3 states of HIV, but some research said have 4 states of HIV. But today I will talk about 3 states of HIV. Stage 1, acute infection. The symptom like flu will occur within 2 to 4 weeks after contact HIV infection. Stage 2, clinical latency is chronic HIV infection after acute infection stage. Stage 3, we call AIDS. Stage 1 and stage 2, we can't call someone AIDS because stage 1 and stage 2 is HIV. Okay, I will move on to symptoms of HIV. Symptoms of HIV such as fever, sore throat, or swollen lymph nodes. And this one is muscle pain or joint pain, red skin, increased sweating, especially nighttime, headache, nausea and vomiting, lost weight, diarrhea, fatigue, or drowsiness. And the last one, liver enlargement. Yeah. I have activity in class, but I think is we have limit time, and if we have time, I can show you after presentation. Okay, we will move to cause of SIV. The main cause is, what's that?
Sex.
Yes, the main cause is
That's not
have unprotected sex with
Unprotected.
someone who has
Before
HIV
partner.
and sharing drug with someone who is infected with HIV. The last one is can transfer mother to baby before and after birth. Okay, I will
Prevention.
move on to preventions of SIV. Prevention of SIV, I think many research says use condoms is the most effective way to prevent SIV and other STIs. And this one, get tested. Be sure you and your partner are tested for SIV and other STIs. Don't have sex with many partners.
Okay. Can
This
you?
one, take medicine if you have HIV or you have high risk. Don't. The last one, you should check tattoo shop. They have sterile technique to do tattoo for you.
Make sure they are sterilized.
Summary. Today I talk about people with HIV stage of HIV symptoms, cause, and the last one I talk about preventions. Conclusion. HIV and AIDS is sexually transmitted disease. It can be cured but not completely cured. HIV and AIDS are different. HIV is beginning of AIDS. If someone don't like to take medicine or don't like to meet a doctor, they can become to AIDS in the future. AIDS and HIV can contact in 3 ways, such as have sex, blood, and can transfer mother to baby. The last one, I hope everyone will not stigmatization and discrimination with people who have HIV positive. Okay, everyone have any question? Yes, please.
Sorry, I have 2 questions.
2 questions.
Yes. First, how many percentage of condom can prevention from HIV?
Many research different percent, but I read before 80%. Never many technique can prevent HIV 100%. Never, but condom is okay for prevention HIV and other STIs.
And sorry, second
Go ahead.
question.
Yes.
Do you know some medicine for MSM,
Yes.
like when they have sex?
Good question. Is that new technology medical for AIDS or for HIV prevention or treatment? I know about medicine prevention. The name PrEP and PrEP. Yes, it can prevent before you contact with someone have HIV.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Is
Please.
STI different from HIV?
How different?
No, I mean, if different, because I know that STI is sexually transmitted infection.
Yes.
And how is it different from HIV? Or is it the same?
You mean STI with HIV? How different? It's different because the different virus. HIV is severe disease.
Ah, okay. So,
Because yes, and STI, for example, such as STI, syphilis, gonorrhea, you can treat.
yeah,
by
it has a
medicinal.
cure,
You
but
can
not
cure.
HIV doesn't
Yeah,
have cure.
no.
Okay, get it now.
Okay. Any question? Still scare HIV because I think it's someone no education about way to transfer. Someone say, oh, I can't eat food with you because you have HIV. I can't swimming pool with you because you have HIV. I can't to do something with people with HIV, but normally it have 3 way only to
if it would be like
contact
one
with HIV disease
glass.
blood.
Well, if you
Such
drink
as
her
blood,
saliva or his saliva.
So you get it.
Having sex
Yeah.
and
One glass.
what
Can
you
you
call
produce, one
transmission.
glass
Yeah,
of-
yeah, that's true.
I heard this story.
Enjoy.
but That's true.
Are you okay, Vinny?
To me. So here in Australia, do you think it's a problem, HIV, or have we eradicated it here in Australia?
I think that's the
In
problem.
Australia?
I know.
Yeah. Look at the surveys.
I look data in Australia is not too much HIV people.
Which country?
All around the world is
Get
very big.
India number 1.
Oh.
India number 1. Yes.
So avoid Indians.
I think India have
Don't date Indians.
population a lot and education can access to many people. I will move on to discussion question. The first question, do you think people who have HIV should or shouldn't have children? Why or why not? Second question, if you knew your partner had HIV, what would you do?
Is this
You can
easy?
try
Joking.
for
Um,
discussion.
on my
Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you. Really good. Well done.
I like this information.